so.
It was on across from the corner. Yeah.
When the band's gone
Yeah. From
and the tours are over, you're sitting in a little room with a hardwood floor.
that was a fabulous hot dog.
It's actually much better than staring at the lights.
Right.
You know the crowd was very small. The Lord for a country music show. But he paid the curtain call. Hey, just like it years ago. And when the lady grabbed his arm as he staggered down the aisle, and with all his clutch red charm, he addressed her with a smile. Said, would you catch a falling star before he crashes to the ground? And don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. So pick me up and take me home, and I can break my old guitar. I play a gold note song if you catch a falling star. You catch a falling star before he crashes to the ground. And don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. So pick me up and take me home, and I can break my old guitar. Yeah, play a gold note song. You catch a falling star. He had a silver-plated bus and a million country bands. Now there's just a few of us, and Lord, he drives that little van. Well, they were beating down his door, the lovely women left and right. But now he's on the hardwood floor, just wondering where he's been the night. So would you catch a falling star before he crashes to the ground? And don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. So pick me up and take me home, and I can break this old guitar. Yeah, play a gold note song if you catch a falling star. Yeah, play a gold note song if you catch a falling star.